Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to see recently watched videos on Facebook. So let's show you how to do it. From here we just have to go and click on those three lines from the right top of the page next to Messenger, and then scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then from here we have to click again on Settings. Then from here we have to scroll down until we find the section with your information, and from here we have to click on Activity Log. And then from here again we have to scroll down until we find the last option, which is Logged Actions and Other Activities. Here they say your devices, logins, and videos you've watched. So click on that. And then from here we have to click on the second option, which is videos you've watched. And now here are all the videos that you've watched. You can even filter this, so you can click here next to archive and set the date or categorize this. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.